It's the end of May.
Let's go!
Spring's journey into summer is in full bloom. But it's not the only transformation happening in Parker.
We're progressing every day. Our kids and our coaches are working hard.
Legend football coach Monty Thielen has a front row seat.
We're able to see improvement on literally a daily basis.
Though it's not the vantage point he's used to.
We really want to thank the people at Cimarron, our friends here, for letting us use these fields.
It's all part of the transformation.
Good!
For every rip drill at Cimarron,
Good, Keenan!
there's a ripped field across the way at Legend. Cut for cut.
Great cut!
Drill
Blue 24!
for hammer. They're the tools of progress.
Good!
On the field and on the field.
We always assess, just like we do with all of our fields, here on a yearly basis.
About every 10 years, a field is scheduled for replacement.
This was our 11th year, so we were kind of due.
We've been out here for 4 days and 10 hours each day ripping it out. Pile them up, put them in the dumpster. There goes the green.
This past November's bond approval is helping to make sure that happens.
I think it just kind of helped, I guess maybe make it happen a little bit sooner.
Adjustment, Bryson.
Playing on an old turf is not just a matter of cosmetics.
Let's go, Blue!
It's a safety issue.
It's just harder on your body. Concussions obviously are a concern.
And while the safety concern is certainly addressed, the new field will also bring a little something extra.
To my knowledge, there isn't any other school in the state that has something like this.
I'm gonna go off the limb and say that this is the last cut.
Thanks to the additional generosity of a Legend Titans fan,
Love it. It's gonna look dang cool.
it's out with the old and in with the blue.
Navy and Royal are some of our main colors. It seemed like kind of a slam dunk.
Love it. I think it's going to look really cool. Make us look sharp.
The new hue is creating a sense of school pride.
It's going to add more color and more variety to our school.
All of us as parents and community members want our kids to feel something special when they're at that school.
Family on 3, 1, 2, 3! Family!
It's something special that these Titans are sure to remember.
Kind of a community environment there. We're very thankful and appreciative.
Tell them what you think about our blue field.
Yeah!